How to add a picture in edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a picture in edits. It's really simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, open the edit app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the edit app, you'll see a plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. From there, select the photo that you want to add into your editing page. I'll choose this one. After you have chosen your preferred photo, you'll see a tick icon. Tap on it and the photo will be loaded into your project screen. From here you can edit the photo, add audio, change it to the video and many more. And that's it. This is how you can add a picture in your edit app. Isn't it super simple? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.